Vanakkam. Good morning, everyone. My name is Geeta. I'm a yoga teacher from Monad Yoga Online Studio. I'm from the tradition of Sri Krishnamacharya. I also have another teacher here, senior teacher, yoga teacher, Preetham. She will be also handling classes on certain days of the week. Let me welcome all of you for this exclusive course on conquering prana, which we call it as Prana Jayam, for all the brave people who are fighting COVID right now. Let me brief you about this course before we go into the actual practices. We should first understand what is prana. Prana is nothing but the vital energy or the life force that runs in our body. And we use breath as a vehicle to enhance this prana. Diseases manifest in the body when the prana depletes, or the other way. When a person is infected with a problem, or if you're having any kind of problem, disease in the body, the prana depletes. So once if you can enhance this prana, you get the ability to cope with the problem more than a lot of things, more than the diseases. The associated problems along with the disease is what causing us trouble at the mental level, at the emotional level. So prana is something which works on different levels of your body, in all the koshas of the body. So yogic practices believe that once you enhance the prana, then your coping mechanism to any kind of illness is kind of improved. So here in this course, we will be guiding you with simple pranayama practices to enhance the breath, thereby enhancing the prana. I would like to quote Sri Krishnamacharya's wordings on this. Where is the delusion when the truth is known? Where is the disease when the mind is clear? Where is death when the breath is mastered? So surrender to yoga. This is what Krishnamacharya says. So one has to work with one's own prana to fight this problem, to fight whatever may be the illness that is we are facing. So this course will consist of simple practices. What I want you to understand this is not a treatment for COVID. So you have to follow your doctor. You have to follow the treatment that is being given to you. In addition to this, you will be working on your breath to cope with the situation better. So check with your doctor if you are ready for these pranayama practices. We will be maximum doing very simple breathing exercises, breathing pranayama practices. But any of the practices is little bit difficult for you, or if you are not able to do it, just listen to your body, listen to your breath, never push your body. End of the class, we will discuss how to go about it. I can give you variations or I can give you modifications on that. And we are conducting this class. Several time slots are available in a day. Try to attend as many as possible, 2 to 3 slots or some days are available. So try to attend as many as possible. Only contraindication, or when you have to keep an eye is don't do it when you're having a full stomach, right after the meal. Minimum of couple of hours, maximum 3 hours to 4 hours after the meal. If you can do the breath work, that will really help. That is the only thing I would like to tell you. So let's get into the practice, and after the class, if you have any questions, we will have a discussion. If you have any specific concerns, I will be happy to answer you. So get into comfortable seating posture. We're going to start the class with Om chanting. Sit comfortably. If you are seated in the chair, that is fine. During the breath work, try to see if you can keep your spine erect without leaning backwards. That is very important. You have to keep your back straight, spine maximum erect if possible. Let's start with Om chanting. Keep your body in a relaxed state. Just observe your breath. Good amount of inhalation based on your capacity, and deep exhalation. Conscious breathing at your own comfort pace. Just observe how it is today, how the breath is today, this morning. Bring the awareness to the subtle sound that comes from your body as you exhale and inhale. Just observe that. Bring the palms together, prayer position. We're going to inhale and chant Om on exhalation. We're going to do this 3 times. Inhale deeply. Om.